Hi there, welcome back. If you're new to this channel, then hello, this is Sia. And you're watching Trading Queen. Today, I will construct on material covered in my previous video on moving averages, where I defined what a moving average is, the three types of moving averages, and how they are calculated. In this video, I will discuss how to use moving averages to identify the direction of a trend, how they can be used to enter or exit a trade, and finally, how to trade moving average crossovers. So without any further ado, let's begin. To determine the direction of a trend using a moving average, you must take into account the set time period. I touched on this briefly in the last video, where I showed you the most commonly used time period when analyzing short-term, mid-term, and long-term trends. But why is it important to be aware of the time period of the moving average? In this chart, where we place a 20-period simple moving average by clicking the indicator icon and setting the time period to 20. We can clearly see that it indicates an uptrend. Yet, when we place a 60-period simple moving average in the same way, we see that it shows the price in a range, with no clear upward or downward trend. The difference in the direction of the trend, portrayed by the moving average, is due to the time period. Shorter period moving averages are faster at generating signals, and changes in the price of the instrument will be reflected more quickly. The longer period moving average will react to price changes much more slowly, but will generally provide more reliable trading signals. At the end of this video, an inspirational quotation is waiting just for you, so that, in this trading journey, you stay motivated all the time. So, just hang on. As a trader, moving averages will help you decide which way to trade, by looking at whether the price is above or below the moving average line. In this chart, the price is above the moving average line, and acts as the support. You could buy and enter a long position when the price pulls back to the moving average line. You could then place your stop loss underneath the moving average. Here we can see the opposite. The price is below the moving average and acts as resistance. You could then enter a sell order when the price retraces to the moving average line and place your stop loss above the moving average. The interesting thing about moving averages is that they can be used alone or in combination with other moving averages. So, when you place two moving averages on one chart, with different periods, reflecting a short-term and a longer-term trend in price, you have the opportunity to trade moving average crossovers. They can be used to determine when a trend has changed direction. Let me show you what I mean. On a daily chart for the pound US dollar, we will now place a 10-period simple moving average and a 20-period simple moving average. When a shorter period moving average crosses above a longer period moving average, you can signal that the trend is changing direction to the upside, and it may be a good time to buy. When a shorter period moving average crosses below a longer period moving average, this is considered a bearish signal that the trend may be changing towards the downside, and it may be a good time to sell. No matter which two time periods you use, this principle will remain the same. To recap, a moving average is a lagging indicator that can help filter out the noise from random price movements to see the average value. It can help identify the trend direction, determine support and resistance levels, and can help confirm a trend reversal when looking at moving average crossovers. It is important to understand the differences between the types of moving averages and how to tailor the time period to best fit the trend being followed in order to gain the maximum benefit from this indicator. The best way to learn reading candlestick chart is practicing how to enter or exit a trade. I personally would suggest you to practice it in demo accounts. Sign up in your preferred trading platform with the links provided in video description and get 150% bonus at your first time deposit. Yes, you've heard it right. And if this video was helpful, please like it, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. For strategies, tricks and free VIP signal, join my Telegram channel. Hurry up, VIP seats are limited. This is Sia, signing off for today. See you soon with a brand new profitable video. Good day. Thank you for watching this tutorial on moving averages. If you have any questions about the strategy, please let us know in the comments section, and we will get back to you.